Poker Hand Rankings Explained. Here is a list of all standard poker hands ranked from lowest to highest. For each hand, I will be sure to explain how to break ties if two or more players end up with a hand of similar rank at showdown. Unless specified, aces are always high. First is high card. It is a hand consisting of 5 cards of different rank, different suits, and not in a sequence. If two or more players at showdown each contain a hand of high card, then they each compare the highest card in their hand. The player with the higher card is the winner. If there is a tie, then the next highest card is compared, and so on. Next is one pair, a hand with 2 cards of identical rank and 3 other cards. When multiple players have one pair, the higher pair wins. If each pair is identical, then the highest single card breaks the tie, and so on. 2 pair, a hand with 2 cards of identical rank, another 2 cards of a different rank, and 1 single card of a third rank. When multiple players have 2 pair, the player with the highest pair wins. If each player's high pair are the same, then the second pair is used to break the tie. If both pairs are identical, then the last card determines the winner. 3 of a kind, a hand consisting of 3 cards of identical rank and 2 cards of different ranks. When multiple players have 3 of a kind, the higher rank wins. In Texas Hold'em, it is possible for players to share the same 3 of a kind. If this happens, then the player with the highest of the 2 singletons wins the pot. Straight, 5 cards in sequential order and in different suits. The higher straight is the one that has the higher card. The highest is an ace-high straight. The lowest is a 5-high straight. This is one of the only instances where an ace can count as a low card. Flush, 5 cards in the same suit but not in a sequence. The higher flush is the one that has the higher card. Full house, a hand consisting of 3 of a kind in one rank and a pair of a different rank. When multiple players have a full house, the hand that has the highest 3 of a kind is the winner. In Texas Hold'em, if players share the same 3 of a kind, then the pairs are compared and the highest pair wins. 4 of a kind, a hand consisting of all 4 cards of one rank and a 5th card of a different rank. When multiple players have 4 of a kind, the higher rank wins. In Texas Hold'em, it is possible for all players to share the same 4 of a kind if one appears on the board. If this happens, then the player with the highest 5th card breaks the tie. Straight flush, 5 cards in sequential order and in the same suit. Royal flush, a 10, jack, queen, king, and ace in the same suit. This is the best hand in all of poker. One final note. If the best hand at showdown is shared between multiple players with all 5 cards being identical between them, then those players split the pot. This is true even when there are more than 5 cards available. For example, in Texas Hold'em and 7-card stud, players are able to make their best 5-card hand from 7 available cards. If the hands for 2 players at showdown are the same, the 6th and 7th cards cannot be used to attempt to break the tie, therefore the pot is split. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Check out my PokerStars online home game. Details are on the screen and in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Go make it happen.